This is a new Huawei Watch Fit 2. So this is a much improved version over the original Watch Fit 1, and it comes with the new Harmony OS system, which is much smoother than the previous one. So this is what the box looks like. And this Huawei watch has got 32 gigs of internal storage for your music and other stuff. So let's check it out. And in the box you get a watch like this. Mine is the Sakura pink version, and this is the active version. So inside the box you get the watch itself, and you also get some paperwork here as well. It's your warranty card. So this is what it looks like. Some padding, and also you get a charger like this, so which simply attaches at the back of the watch, and it's a fairly secure fit. So, and also this watch has got almost 14 days of battery life, which is very impressive indeed. To change the watch face, we can simply press and hold on the watch face, and we can cycle through different watch faces. And also you can download many more additional watch faces from the store. So tons of different choices. And also compared to the other watches, we can click on these icons here. On the other stuff like Xiaomi stuff and stuff like that, you can't click anywhere here. Also when we scroll from like this, you can get access to the notifications. When you scroll like this, you get access to these menus here. Okay, then you can also get access to just some quick stuff such as timers and stopwatch that currently run in your background as well. And also this watch has an inbuilt speaker here, and the sound quality actually of this watch is incredibly good, and you can listen music just from the watch speakers alone. And yeah, the speaker is incredibly good. So what else? You can swipe like this to get access to some of the tiles, stress stuff, again players, running ability index, sleep tracking. Okay, and we can hold to add more stuff, and there is limit of like 6 or 8 different tiles we can add. So you can also add a heart rate, moon phase tile, some calls, contacts, and you can even call from this watch itself as well, since it has a microphone and a speaker, SpO2, compass, heart rate, resting heart rate, and stuff like that. When we click the button, you can get access to all kinds of other stuff, such as your timer, stopwatch, a flashlight like this. You can swipe left to go back, different workouts here, so a lot of workouts, and your heart rate and how it has been over the day, and also your resting heart rate over the past days. Also this watch has got VO2 max measurement as well, so that's kind of cool. Also SpO2, so oxygen saturation, some activity records, sleep, stress, all kinds of great stuff basically here, which we can access and use, and even pedal maps, so we can use this to navigate basically as well. So a lot of high-end features that you only get on the high-end Huawei watches, but on this Huawei Watch Fit 2 you get all of them at a fraction of a price. So yeah, this is what the watch looks like. It says it's plastic, however, yeah, I can't tell that it's plastic. It looks like metal, like a golden metal like finish, so it doesn't look plastic at all actually. So there are also, I think, some classic versions which are actually a metal, but again, even this active edition, the frame looks like a metal, I would say. So yeah, kind of cool. And the strap also feels very nice actually, and it's very soft and pleasant to use actually. Also, the step counter of this is incredibly accurate, and it's just as accurate as on Samsung watches, and it's way better than on Apple and Garmin and Fitbit on those it sucks, but on this Huawei Watch Fit 2 it's just as good as on the best watches. So yep, it even beats the Garmin and Apple in the step counter accuracy. So excellent feature. Also the heart rate sensor on this one is also excellent, and it's actually even better than on Samsung and other Xiaomi watches and stuff like that. So it's nearly just as good as on Apple and Garmin basically. So very good high-end sensors in this reasonably priced watch. Overall, a very nice watch, I would say. So if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!